Whoa, this is massive. The iPad Air 13 just landed in 2025, and holding it feels like carrying a mini laptop. But here's the thing, size doesn't automatically mean better. So I spent a week with it, testing everything from streaming and drawing to heavy multitasking, and here's what really stood out and what might surprise you. Let's start with the screen. 13 inches of liquid retina. Big, sharp, and bright enough that I could sit outside without squinting. Watching videos, it's immersive. Scrolling through apps, smooth. Colors are punchy without looking fake. And yes, it's slim, just over 6 millimeters, and at 616 grams, it's not light, but it's perfectly manageable. I'll be honest, at first I thought, wow, this is too big to hold comfortably. But after a few hours, it felt natural. Reading, sketching, or even binge-watching Netflix, it stays easy on the hands. And if you think it's just a big screen, wait until you see the speed. Apple stuffed in the M3 chip with 8 cores and a 9-core GPU, and it shows. I opened a dozen apps, switched between multiple tabs, ran some games, and it didn't stutter once. Honestly, I sometimes forgot I was even pushing it. 8GB RAM, storage options up to 1TB, and it just flies. No card slot though, so pick wisely if you like storing a lot of files. But honestly, for most people, the storage choices are more than enough. Now, cameras. Rear camera, 12 megapixel. Not mind-blowing, but shoots 4K at 60 FPS, perfect for casual videos or document scanning. Front camera is 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and FaceTime calls are crisp, even in tricky lighting. Apple's software really helps keep the image sharp and natural. Speakers are loud, clear, and stereo, perfect for movies, gaming, or music. No headphone jack, but Bluetooth headphones work flawlessly. And here's where it gets fun. Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard. Seriously, if you draw or type regularly, this iPad suddenly feels like a mini workstation. Typing on the Magic Keyboard feels like a real laptop experience. And the Pencil? Responsive, precise, basically what you expect from Apple. Battery life is solid. The 9705 mAh battery lasted me around 3 full days of casual use. Emails, streaming, and light editing. Heavy users might need a recharge sooner, but it's reliable. Connectivity is strong. Wi-Fi 6E, optional 5G, and USB-C 3.1 Gen 2. So transferring files or connecting an external display is quick and painless. So here's the deal. If you want a big, fast, versatile iPad that can handle multitasking, sketching, or even some light gaming, the iPad Air 13 is a solid pick. But if you mainly browse, watch videos, or take notes, a smaller iPad could save you money without losing much. At the end of the day, this isn't just a bigger iPad. It's an iPad that feels capable enough to replace a laptop for many people. I want to know what you think. Would you go all in on the iPad Air 13 or stick to a smaller model? Drop a comment below, hit like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for honest tech reviews.